Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that alien words token. Now before we start the video, let's hear my legal disclaimer. This video is only for education purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, alien words TLM is a decentralized play to earn NFT metaverse where players mine or resources, govern virtual planets, and collectively shape an evolving SCI-FI universe. A play to earn mining game where explorers use NFT tools to mine Trillium, TLM, the in game currency and resource. A decentralized governance experiment where players stake TLM to vote in planetary DAOs, controlling treasuries and funding community projects. Alien Words, a player driven creative platform featuring tokenized lore, where the community votes on users' submitted stories to expand the official canon. Alien World project institution rating is 4.1 and this project audited by Ceritic. Alien World token total supplies 7.03 billion and circulating supplies around 6.8 billion TLM token. TLM token is listed on popular centralized exchanges like Binance, KuCoin, BingX, Kraken, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 85% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.